Alright, for today on this windy, super windy day on this truck, I got the clutch and everything working right. I'm cutting this off here, this step, this lift gate, and I've already pushed the shed and everything back. I pushed the shed over here because it was right here in this spot. So I'm going to take that box off that truck and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to use it as a new storage shed. Use the Bobcat to get it off. I used it to move the shed. So that worked out. It's so windy out here, I'm afraid this thing's gonna blow away. But it's gonna be fun getting that off when it's super windy. I'm gonna disconnect everything. I'm gonna weld some brackets on the side so it doesn't come off either side. And then I'm going to just drag it off slowly and move it, but I'll drive it over here when I do that. Alright, I'm doing pads, rotors, and brake calipers on my 05 Dodge 3500 today. As you can see, there's a crack. There's a crack. There's a crack at almost every hole. But these ones are deep. Now this is the third set that I've replaced. They all do the same thing. I bought the better ones that would hopefully let the heat out a little better, but they're not. They're just getting cracked. So maybe instead of warping, they're cracking. I don't know. But also I need to replace these. I broke those when I was trying to get the dang things to release. So they were not wearing evenly anyways. On this one you see the right side's a little more skinny than the left. So I think one of them was sticking or not coming out all the way. But I'm going to replace both front calipers, both front rotors, and obviously the brake pads, front and rear. And I also have a leak that's getting really bad. There's oil all the way down the whole back of the truck. Look at all that. The rear main seal, the rear main seal has been leaking for a while, but not like that. It's got to get replaced, and I really don't want to pull the transmission, so I'm probably gonna have to take it to a shop or something. But if it's too much money, then I will just do it myself. But I'd rather not. All right, so today I'm gonna work on that truck. Get the brakes done. I'm waiting on some parts, but since I'm waiting, I was gonna wire up my shed for lights. So I've got the power running to it. This is actually live right now, but this shop is not, flat, so I had to put it on the side and then do this little whoop-de-doo going that way, and it goes up and into the box. And I'm running a light switch outside, so I can flip it on and off from outside without being inside. Got the power running through that hole, up to that, into that box there. There's going to be a hanging light, and then over here is going to be another hanging light. And then I'm going to make it come off at that point, and it's going to go across out here. And I still got to put it up there. It's going to be a hole in this, to this shed, and then I'll have a light inside the shed there. I've already wired a light outside. I just got to finish doing the switch right now. And I, for some reason, only bought one power plug, so power outlet, so I got to get three more. And then I tried to drill through this box to put a hole in it, because this was actually going to be on the wall, or it was actually going to be up there where that one is. But as soon as I drilled into it without holding onto it very tight, it snapped in half. So there's the other one, the rest of it. But I think it's going good. All the wiring set up. I do have to glue that part in still. I didn't glue that in, but I'll glue that after. But now it's just for the switch. All right, got the truck all done. Well, at least the brakes. I still need to do the rear main seal, but that's not going to happen for at least a couple of days. Alright, so I got all the wiring done here for the shed. That's all wired up, hooked up. And I just got done wiring all the lights. Here's the outdoor light, it's on. Got my switch done. All the lights in, powered up. Bam. A lot nicer to have lights in here instead of using a headlamp. That one went through into the other one. And then here, lights are up, hooked up. Power box. So now I don't have to go in here blind all the time. So that's nice. Easy on and off switch. Everything's wired up. The only thing I have to do now is clean up my mess. And I gotta cover the boxes. I got the lids down there. Box, box. And that's it. Alright, got the truck all done. Well, at least the brakes. I still need to do the rear main seal, but that's not gonna happen for at least a couple of days. Alright, so I got all the wiring done here for the shed. That's all wired up, hooked up. And I just got done wiring all the lights. Here's the outdoor light, it's on. Got my switch done. All the lights in, powered up. Bam. A lot nicer to have lights in here instead of using a headlamp. That one went through into the other one. And then here, lights are up, hooked up. Power box. So now I don't have to go in here blind all the time. So that's nice. Easy on and off switch. Everything's wired up. The only thing I have to do now is clean up my mess. And I gotta cover the boxes. I got the lids down there. Box, box. And that's it.